Present tense. Hello children, welcome back. In this class, we will learn about the present tense. You know that verbs tell us about the time of action. Verbs in the simple present tense tell us about actions that take place regularly. For example, we go to school at 7 a.m. Jimmy plays badminton every evening. The girls play badminton. Things that are always true or general statements are also expressed in the simple present tense. For example, the sun rises in the east. A leap year has 366 days. Now let us practice what we have learned. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. My father blank dinner every evening. Your options are make, makes. The answer is makes. Well done. Now let us see what the present continuous tense is used for. We use the present continuous tense to talk about an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. We use the verbs is, am, and are as helping verbs and add ing to the main verb to change it into the present continuous form. For example, I am writing a letter. The cat is drinking milk. The birds are flying in the sky. We use am with I. We use is with singular nouns and pronouns. We use are with the pronoun you and plural nouns and pronouns. The ing form is made by simply adding ing to the main verb. Now look at this sentence. Fill in the blank with the present continuous form of the verb given in brackets. I blank my English homework. Your options are is doing, am doing, are doing. The answer is am doing. I am doing my English homework. How about this one? Sumit blank the car. Your options are am parking, is parking, are parking. The answer is parking. Sumit is parking the car. That is all for this lesson. I will see you again with practice exercises.